So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's an exciting day because we have mods again for the BMW F22 M235i. So I got this mod from Facebook Marketplace. You know what, sometimes you can find good stuff there, so you just have to check it out. Maybe you can find something that you like, or some mods that you need for your car. Maybe it's just there, you just have to search it. You know what, I like this mod because this is what you touch every time you drive the car, and in today's video we're gonna replace that. So I'm talking about the steering wheel on my BMW M235i. I already did some mods on that steering wheel before, so if you just want to copy that, it's up to you. But I'm gonna put those videos down on the link down below if you wanna do the same thing on your car. So in today's video I'm gonna show you the previous steering wheel, well, the actual steering wheel right now, and the new steering wheel that I'm gonna replace that. So guys, let's get started. I got the two BMW side by side. Soon we're gonna have some mods also for the BMW 128i. So that's the M235i. Let's go check it out. See, the wheel looks good, man. This wheel looks amazing with this car. Okay, time to check out that steering wheel. On the M235i, as you can see, I put the Alcantara wrap on the steering wheel. So this one feels really good, I'm telling you right now. Alcantara feels good on the steering wheel. You have a lot of grip, you know, even though you're not wearing any driving gloves. The grip is there because of the Alcantara fabric, as you might say, or the leather or whatever it is. It really has a nice grip. These two buttons, the M1 and the M2, I did that also. So I just replaced the two blank ones here with the red ones, M1 and M2, but this is non-functional. This is just for the look, and I like it. I did some overlay here, carbon fiber overlay on these controls here, the overlay on the sides, even here. And then also I replaced the paddle shifter with the M3 paddle shifter. I also have that on the video. So if you'll check it out, those are the mods that I did on the steering wheel. That's not gonna break your bank if you just want to do this mod on your steering wheel, but the steering wheel is gonna look good after, and it feels good also because of the Alcantara. But you know, I'm gonna take it out, I'm gonna put the new wheel, but this steering wheel is gonna be on the side. In case I do sell the car, I'm gonna include that this steering wheel, and I'm gonna take out the new one. So now let's go check out the new steering wheel. Alright, so we have the steering wheel here. So this is what I got from Facebook Marketplace. Look how good the steering wheel looks like. Carbon fiber with the perforated leather on the sides, and also the grip. So it comes with the airbag, the red on the 12 o'clock. You get the red color here. It comes with the M3 paddle shifter already. Carbon fiber with the M logo on the bottom. Perforated leather on the side. Carbon fiber on the top. I'm telling you guys, this one feels really good. I love my steering wheel, but with this one it feels a lot better for sure. I can't wait to install this. So all we're gonna do now is just swap it. There's no mods to be done. It's an easy direct swap. So now let's go install this bad boy. So now we need to remove the negative terminal on the battery, and before you do that, get a microfiber towel, wrap around on this lock, tie it up, so because the trunk, when it closes accidentally, you're gonna have a hard time opening it up because there's no power on the battery. And also you're gonna need another microfiber towel once you remove the battery. By the way, you're gonna need a 10mm to remove that battery. So this is the negative terminal. You have to remove the 10mm nut, or loosen the 10mm nut. And then put it aside. Put a microfiber towel on it so it doesn't get connected again. After we install the steering wheel, we're gonna reconnect that power back. First, we need to remove the airbag before we can access the bolt that's holding the steering wheel. To remove the airbag, there's a hole over here where you're gonna put your I'm gonna use a flat screwdriver to push the pin inside. Once I push the pin, the airbag will pop out. That's one. There you go. Once we pop the airbag, there's two connectors inside that we have to, over there, we have to disconnect those two connectors with a flathead screwdriver. Once you remove the airbag, you have another connector here you have to disconnect, and the other one here. Then after that, we have to remove this big bolt here, which is a 17mm. Then after that, we can pull out the steering wheel. It's one connector. One connector. Two connector. It's a 16mm bolt, not 17. Also have the extension and breaker bar. That's it. Now we can pull out the steering wheel. There you go. So we don't have the other connection for the plug here because we don't have heated steering wheel, but I don't need the heated steering wheel. For me, it's fine. I'm just gonna put back this connector and the connector for the airbag after. Just have to slide it here slowly, but you have to align the notch. There's a notch in the middle. Make sure that's aligned. You can just push the steering wheel. There you go. Once it's aligned, you can just push it back. Put back the bolt. That's it. Put back the airbag, but first plug the first connector. Push it in, and then the airbag. So once you plug the two connectors for the airbag and also for the controls for the paddles and stuff, Then you can just push in the airbag slowly until it locks into place. There you go. So now it's installed. So the only thing now is we're gonna start the car and make sure all the controls on the steering wheel is working, and that's it. So now we're driving with the brand new steering wheel. This steering wheel feels really good. So everything works so far. Now I'm trying on the paddle shifter. So the paddle shifter works perfectly. No issue. I put to Sport Plus. Downshift. Yeah, it feels good. Oh my god, the steering wheel is crazy. Carbon fiber and the perforated leather feels good. And also the way it's shaped, you know. Downshift and upshift, it's working perfectly. I really like the feel of the carbon fiber, you know, when you hold your hand only in the middle like this. When you hold your hand like this on the 12 o'clock, feels good. And when you put it here, you have your indentation for the thumb. And that feels good also. So I really like this steering wheel. I think it's a good buy from Facebook Marketplace. I like it a lot. So guys, I really like the new steering wheel. It feels really different than before. But I still miss the Alcantara steering wheel, but you know what? This definitely is a different type of feeling because of the perforated leather and the carbon fiber. But I really like it. The way the shape of the steering wheel, the flat bottom, and the thumb rest, indentation on the sides. And also all the paddles are working, so that's good. So you know what? I think I did a good buy on Facebook Marketplace. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Please give this video a like and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.